Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to take multiple inputs on single line in Python for integers and floats. So to do this, I will use here map function to take inputs on single line as integer or float. So let's write here map function which will take two argument. One will be function which can be integer if I want to take integer, and or float if I want to take float as input. So, and second argument is input which I have to take. So I will take input function inside this map function. Now let's see this with simple example. So I will write here example 1. Now I want to take two inputs, so I will declare two variables here. Then I will use map function here to convert this input in string, input in list, to convert input in integer. So I will take a first argument as int for integer, and then second argument will be input. Because I want to take here input, I can write here any comment like enter a number, then I will use here split function to split these two numbers with space. So right here split. Now I am printing these two numbers, so print A and B. So let's save this and run the code. So here I will give two numbers as input with space separated. I will give here 5 and 7 as two numbers with space separated, and then press enter key. Here is the output. The first number A, which is 5, and second number is B, which is 7. Suppose I want to take float as an input, so I will simply write float instead of int, and now I will take a float as an input. Let's save this code and run again. So I have to give here two numbers which will be float. Let's write 6.3 and second number is 7.8. It will not show an error here because I have write float as a input. Suppose instead of float I will give here integer and as input. So let's take integer 4 and 5. It will only convert these two integer numbers into the float and give output as float. Suppose I want to take four output inputs here. I will only declare another two variables here, which will C and D, which will be comma separated here now. So I will give here comma as argument, then save this code and then run. Now I will give here four numbers as input with comma separated. Let's take 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then sorry, it will give only two numbers because I have not printed them here. Now I have printed these four numbers. So let's again run this code and take another four inputs like 4.1, 5.2, any random numbers we can take. let's enter, and let's see output. Here is the output, as these four numbers are printed on the output, which are separated by common in this example. So in this way we can take multiple inputs on single line for integer and floats in Python using map function. So thank you for watching this video.